Please, Yuri Vasilyevich.
Thank you. In fact, Mariana already very nicely did almost all closing procedures. Thank you very much. It was very good. So you thank the lecturers, you thank the chairpersons and all the participants. And I just, the only thing I can do, I can add my cordial thanks to people, to all you coming to Lviv. You were really with us all these days, and we felt this. And we felt this when we were preparing Ising lectures, interchanging messages. You know, usually when everyone knows when one is preparing something, it takes time, and sometimes you write to the same person 5 times. And here you all were so friendly and so open to collaborate. So cordial thanks. What I want to add the cordial thanks to 4 people who did this meeting. 2 of them are here on the screen. These are Mariana and these are Oksana. And you saw also Dmytro Shapoval. He was the chairperson yesterday. And you haven't seen also one who was behind the stages and who was very important because he is administrator of our institute site. And now he is here. So you see somebody, you know, as you see cameraman during the movie. You see only the movie, and now you see the cameraman. So that's Danilo Dubushovsky. Thank you very much for joining the team of the organizers. So maybe some of you wants to say something. You are very welcome. What I also want to add that the colleagues promise that they will put on, now you know the faces of these colleagues, that they will put the recorded lectures on the site. And maybe it will take several days, but then all lectures will be on the site. So there'll be much more attendees of your lectures. And also, I hope very soon I will address to the lecturers of this meeting, of this workshop, and several lecturers of the former workshop about their readiness to write chapters for the next volume of our review. I have a book here. We have this review book series, Order, Disorder, and Criticality. That's the volume number 7. And with your help, you will have the volume number 8 and maybe some future volumes. And